Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to go over the email configuration. And one of the things you want to recognize is that S2 Member uses the WordPress system for sending out emails. And there are times when, depending on how your WordPress installation works, that you may not be sending emails out to people when they actually sign up. And so you want to verify that your emails are working. So one of the first things you're going to do in order to do that is you're going to go to your all users section, and then you're going to create a user. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a new user, and then you're going to go ahead and fill out all the information. And you are going to fill out this information, and then you want to send this information to an email address that you are already getting email for. And so you want to verify that that email is coming to the box, because if it is, that means then the S2 member will use your WordPress installation. It'll send the email, and that every correspondence that your customer is supposed to get, they'll actually get. If you don't get this email, that means that your email is not working properly and that WordPress is not sending out email to your customer. And this does happen from time to time. So once you've done this process, and let's say that you verify and it does not happen, we're going to go over what you need to do in order to initiate a workaround. Now, you're going to need to install a plugin that will use your WordPress installation's SMTP system. And in order to do that, you want to go to the Add New Plugin, and then you'll search for SMTP. And there are a number of plugins, and there are a number of ways to do it. One way to do it is to use the Gmail SMTP, or to use the SMTP that will work with your host. Now, one of the best things to do at this point is to work with your host to figure out which of these plugins will actually work best, or ones that they recommend. If you don't have support, then you'll want to use the SMTP plugin that goes along with Gmail, and I'll show you how to find it. If you search using the term SMTP Gmail plugin, you'll see right here at the top that you'll get the Gmail SMTP plugin. And it's a free plugin, and you can download it to your hard drive and then upload it into your WordPress installation. Okay, once you have this plugin, you'll want to just click Install. And then you're going to click Activate Plugin. Now you're going to find the settings for this plugin, and you're going to go down to Gmail SMTP. And this is the point at which you'll want to work with your host and then follow the instructions inside of Gmail SMTP. The other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you test this email to make sure that WordPress is sending out the email to the people that are actually coming into your membership. So this is a case where you can work with your host as well as this plugin to get your test email working. And once your test email is working, then you will have a working installation of S2 Member as well as WordPress when it comes to sending out email. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.